అందరికి తెలుసు 1989లో I bought this property and converted this into the country club. 1990, 35 years back, with all the top people in the country on the board, like from Dr. Pratap Siride Garu, Chairman Apollo Group, Abadu Sangaru, Indian Ambassador to the United States, Mahendra Reddy Garu, Director General of Police, KVK Raju, Nagarjuna Group, Chairman Medinova, MD Vishwanath, BN Raman, Chief Secretary, Mahendra Reddy Garu. So what I am trying to tell you is, this has got the fabric of the entire country. Now, అప్పుడు మొదలుపెట్టినప్పుడు మేము we were looking for 400 members. Today, we are at 4 lakh members. 4 lakh into 5, minimum 5 members per family ante 2 million people. And that is one of the biggest family clubbing chain in the world. Nobody believed it. Nobody expected it. మనం అనుకున్నాం, everybody thinks we will only confine ourselves to Hyderabad. But the brand has become so strong because we have taken more people from outside Hyderabad, whether it is Gujaratis and whether it is Marathis or whether it is Biharis or whether it is people from Calcutta or Delhi and all that. It is a mixture of a big culture, and it is basically like Navratri మొదలు పెట్టినప్పుడు a lot of people didn't know what Navratri was. నేనే స్వయంగా I went to Gujarat. I bought the Gujarati bands and all that, and మీరు బిలీవ్ చేయరు, ఇవాళ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు మీరు, బట్ అక్కడ అమృత మాల్ ఉంది కదా, 1 కిలోమీటర్ వరకు కార్ పార్కింగ్ ఫుల్ ఉంటుండే. ఐ మీన్ ఇట్స్ ఇంపాసిబుల్. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ ఆ టైంలో హోమ్ మినిస్టర్ మాధవ్ రెడ్డి గారు ఉండే, ఫోన్ చేసి నాకు, రెడ్డి గారు ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ, మేము ఇక్కడ బ్యాక్ గేట్ ఉంది కదా, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ వెరీ సేఫ్ ఫర్ అస్ అని నాకుతో ఆయన స్వయంగా మాట్లాడినారు. సో వాట్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు టెల్ యు ఇస్ దిస్ బ్రింగ్ బ్యాక్ గ్రేట్ మెమరీస్. ఇప్పుడు కేపీఎస్ గిల్ గారు ఉన్నారు, డైరెక్టర్ జనరల్ ఆఫ్ పోలీస్ పంజాబ్. వెన్ హీ కేమ్ టు వాచ్ ద ఫంక్షన్ బైసాఖి, 20,000 people came. He said, Mr. Reddy, this cannot happen even in Punjab. It is happening in Andhra, Hyderabad. I said, so that is country club. That is the strength of the country club, I said. Because we believe in integration, we believe in friendship, and we believe in love, we believe in affection, we embrace the country. It doesn't, country club belongs to the entire country, I said. So, I mean, this particular emotion, it is a vibe that has really carried the entire country into a different mood altogether. With the Holi Surandi, at least 2 lakh of people celebrate. Now, Holi is coming now next. Again, we are going to meet during the Holi time. So, this is a beginning of a never-ending journey of the country club. Country club is nothing but a bottomless pit, and the memories what we have got from the country club is something really amazing. So I am sure you understand that a company based out of Hyderabad, started by a Hyderabadi 35 years back, today we have put it in the global map. Everybody, in fact, President George Bush, when he came and visited and come to the castle, he personally sent me a letter from the White House. How many people, entrepreneurs, have got this kind of endorsements? So, I mean, this is such an amazing dream. A dream coming true, and it is based on true facts. As an entrepreneur, I am really proud of myself and my entire team who believed in me and who believed in my dreams and who have made my dreams into a big reality. Thank you.
So, yeah. First of all, I'm so honored to be a part of Country Club, and today, thank you so much. I want to thank Mr. MD, Mr. Rajiv Reddy, to give me this opportunity to judge this and to be a guest of today's event, Darlings Day. So, Country Club is a place for luxury and entertainment, not only for this, but it's a place to bring all the family members together. तो यहाँ पे we celebrate, like he said, होली, दिवाली, नवरात्रि. आई एम फ्रॉम गुजरात, तो मैं यहाँ जब फर्स्ट आई थी मुझे पता ही नहीं नवरात्रि सेलिब्रेट करनी कहाँ है. एंड देन ही सेड, आई सॉ हिज फेसबुक पोस्ट, ओ माय गॉड, ये यहाँ पे हो रहा है बेगमपेट. सो आई केम हियर, एंड नाउ for all the events, for all the festival, I came to Country Club, and I request everyone to come here. You will enjoy.